Welcome to Section 1, Introduction to BS 7671 Section 2. In this chapter, we will delve into the essential aspects of this crucial section. This guide explains Section 2 of BS 7671 in detail, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of its contents and applications. This section is primarily focused on the scope, object and principles of the regulation. It sets the foundation for all electrical work, ensuring safety and compliance. It's important for electricians and anyone working with electrical installations to be familiar with these regulations. They are the backbone of safe and effective electrical work. Whether you are new to electrical work or a seasoned professional, understanding these fundamentals is crucial. They provide the guidelines and standards that ensure every installation is up to code. This guide will break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand explanations, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their experience level. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to apply these regulations in your work. You'll be able to navigate the complexities of electrical installations with confidence. This knowledge will help you ensure your work is safe and compliant with the latest standards. It will also help you avoid common pitfalls and mistakes. It will also give you the confidence to tackle any electrical installation project, knowing that you are following the best practices and regulations. With this understanding, you can ensure the highest quality and safety in your work. Section 2, Scope of BS 7671. Where does it apply? BS 7671 applies to almost all electrical installations in the UK. This includes homes, offices, shops and factories. However, there are some exceptions. For example, it doesn't apply to electrical systems on trains, ships or aircraft. These systems have their own specific regulations. Defining the scope is crucial. It clarifies where these regulations are mandatory. This ensures a consistent standard of safety across various electrical installations. Section 3. The object of BS 7671, keeping everyone safe. The main goal of BS 7671 is to keep people safe. It aims to prevent electric shocks, fires and other electrical hazards. This regulation outlines measures to protect people, livestock and property from potential dangers. It achieves this by setting specific requirements for electrical installations. These requirements include protection against electric shock, burns from high temperatures, and damage from excessive current. It also emphasizes proper isolation procedures to prevent accidents during maintenance. Section 4. Fundamental principles. The foundation of electrical safety. BS 7671 is built on some fundamental principles. These are the basic ideas that make electrical installations safe. These principles ensure that electrical installations are safe, reliable and fit for purpose. They form the backbone of all the regulations within BS 7671. The main principles are protection of people and livestock against electric shock, ensuring the safe operation of equipment and guaranteeing the durability, reliability and energy efficiency of installations. These principles guide every aspect of electrical design, installation and maintenance. Section 5. Protection against electric shock. A closer look. In this section, we delve into the critical measures and standards set by BS 7671 to ensure electrical safety. Understanding these guidelines is essential for both professionals and homeowners to prevent accidents and ensure a safe environment. One of the most important things BS 7671 does is protect against electric shock. This standard outlines various protective measures that must be implemented in electrical installations to safeguard individuals from potential hazards. It does this by requiring things like insulation, earthing and RCDs. Each of these components plays a vital role in creating a comprehensive safety system. Insulation, for instance, is a fundamental aspect that involves covering live parts with non-conductive materials. Insulation involves covering live parts with materials that don't conduct electricity. This is crucial because it prevents direct contact with live wires and components, thereby reducing the risk of electric shock. This prevents direct contact with live wires and components. Proper insulation ensures that even if someone accidentally touches a wire, they won't be exposed to dangerous electrical currents. Earthing means connecting metal parts to the earth. This is another critical safety measure that provides a path for electricity to flow safely to the ground in case of a fault. This provides a path for electricity to flow safely to the ground in case of a fault. By doing so, it prevents the build-up of dangerous voltages that could cause electric shock or fire. And then there are RCDs, or residual current devices. These are sophisticated devices designed to quickly switch off the electricity if they detect a fault current, providing an additional layer of protection. These are devices that quickly switch off the electricity if they detect a fault current. RCDs are highly sensitive and can detect even small imbalances in the electrical current, ensuring that any potential hazards are addressed immediately. These measures work together to minimize the risk of electric shock. By integrating insulation, earthing and RCDs, electrical systems become much safer and more reliable. They make sure that people are protected even if something goes wrong with the electrical installation. These safety protocols are essential for maintaining a secure environment, whether in residential, commercial or industrial settings. By adhering to these standards, we can ensure that electrical systems are both efficient and safe for everyone. Section 6. Protection against thermal effects, preventing fires. This section is crucial for ensuring the safety of electrical installations in both residential and commercial settings. BS 7671 also helps to prevent fires caused by electrical faults. Electrical fires can be devastating, leading to property damage and even loss of life. It does this by requiring stringent safety measures and regular inspections. Circuit breakers and fuses. These are essential components in any electrical system. These devices protect circuits from overloading and overheating, which can cause fires. Proper installation and maintenance of these devices are critical. Asterisk. Correct cable sizing. Using cables that can handle the current without overheating. This involves selecting the right gauge and type of cable for each specific application. This ensures that wires don't become fire hazards. Properly secured and labeled cables help in easy identification and maintenance. Safe use of electrical equipment, regular testing and maintenance of electrical equipment are essential. Following manufacturer's instructions and avoiding the use of faulty equipment. Always ensure that the equipment is in good working condition. These measures ensure that electrical installations are designed and installed to minimize the risk of fire. Adhering to safety standards and guidelines is paramount. They provide layers of protection to contain and prevent the spread of heat in case of a fault. Using fire-resistant materials adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring that even if a fault occurs, the risk of fire is minimized. Section 7. Overcurrent protection, safeguarding circuits. Overcurrent happens when too much current flows through a circuit. This can damage equipment and even start fires. BS 7671 requires overcurrent protection devices like fuses and circuit breakers. These devices automatically interrupt the flow of electricity if the current exceeds a safe level. This protects the circuit and connected appliances from damage. By limiting the amount of current flowing through a circuit, these devices prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. They are essential for ensuring the longevity and safety of electrical installations. Section 8. Isolation and switching, ensuring safe maintenance. BS 7671 also covers isolation and switching. This is about making sure that electrical equipment can be safely worked on. It requires isolation switches, devices that completely disconnect equipment from the electricity supply. This ensures that no electricity can flow to the equipment while it's being worked on. Clear labeling. All isolation switches should be clearly labeled so that it's easy to see which equipment they isolate. These measures are crucial for the safety of electricians and anyone working on electrical equipment. Proper isolation procedures prevent electric shocks and ensure a safe working environment. Section 9. Conclusion. Why BS 7671 Section 2 matters. BS 7671 Section 2 is the foundation of electrical safety in the UK. It sets out the scope, object and fundamental principles that govern electrical installations. By understanding these, you can help to make sure that electrical installations are safe, reliable and fit for purpose. This will help to prevent accidents and keep people safe. Remember, working with electricity can be dangerous. Always follow BS 7671 and other relevant regulations. Your safety and the safety of others depend on it.